pretty solid. So I think we're just about now. Yeah, just a little. Ground crew, it's about ready. Dan is just about ready, but it's going to wait. It's going to wait this time. Watermelon hat. I'm going to stand perfectly in the middle and try not to wet myself when the horses come by. So Dan, are you ready? Davey, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, you may ride! Oh, he misses. And then it looks like Dan's going to steal his apple. Yeah! Well, one more to go. And it looks like Dan the man has conclusively taken that, stealing both apples from Davey. Oh, valiant attempt. So, that is our Riva show concluded for today. I'd like to offer a special round of applause, if you may, for our very hard working ground crew / bovines. For our riders, Dan the man and Davey the lady. Please save your biggest round of applause for the true stars of the show, the horses, Mercy and Oggy. Yay! Loneheads, thank you very much for along. We are Wild Nights Jousting. If you have any photos, we really appreciate if you tag Wild Nights Jousting and if you tag Lonehead Children's Gala Day. We'll still be around for a short while afterwards, just next to the arena as we're packing up if anyone has any questions. Thank you! Big round of applause everyone for Wild Nights Jousting! Okay, our final show in the main arena today is back with the 360 bicycle stunt team. They'll be here in about 10 minutes. Well done to Wild Nights Jousting. Couple of announcements. Do we have a young man called Declan? We've found a young Scot card, a Saltire card. It's been handed in to the control tent. Declan, check your pockets. If there's a young man called Declan, check your pockets. You've dropped your Saltire card and it's with the control tent. Okay, so next up in the main arena, we've got the 360 bicycle stunt team back for the final show of the afternoon here in the main arena. Okay, over in the kids zone, still a chance to catch Tricky Ricky. If you've not already seen Tricky Ricky's magic show, it's just about to start over in the kids zone. And our circus, think circus doing walkabout, so if you see them, they are the people who are very, very tall on stilts. Think circus doing walkabout round the gala. And remember, please support all the stall holders that come along today. Lots of great stuff on sale. Still a chance to pick up 1 or 2 bits. And then over here in the main arena, just after just about 1:45, we have, for the last performance of the day in the main arena, the 360 bicycle stunt team here with their daredevil skills on the bikes. So, if you've not already seen what's going on in the main arena, get yourselves over here. You've got about 5-10 minutes and another spectacular show from the 360 Cycle Stunt Team.
Yeah, but we're in the 25.
Pop, 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 pop!
The good thing I'm gonna
Sorry, pal. Oh, 100%.
Somebody with a hands up, please.
Don't be shy, give it a try.